I invented something that no one has thought about. No one in the world has thought. It's this. I'll be like, it's just some regular slime. It's been invented like 10 years ago or something like that, but still. No, it has, but still. This is a new type. Again, I'm making these things. I made a video about it too. I showed you. I'm not sure if you actually got you didn't understand it. It's okay, but still. Look, get the scratch off here. Oh, you deserve to be in the bird. Slime world. Ba ba ba. No, this is I made up a new slime. It's the newest out of the whole world. No one has. I don't know. I don't even think people have even made this up. Have even thought about this. But I made a new type of slime. Called the color slime. Yeah, this is some trash with it. Okay, so yeah, and this slime has been added with rainbow colors glitter. No one has ever thought about this. That there is even the true color isn't even there no more. Yeah. I wish I could zoom in, but I can't because I'm in like facing the camera here and all that. We go like this. Maybe y'all could see more of it like this. Yeah, y'all saw it? Y'all saw it? Okay, now let me just get a piece and put in the camera. Y'all see it? Yeah, y'all saw it? Ooh, ha. Okay. I remember I made a YouTube video called Goofy Slime, whatever it's called. Goofy, like playing with slime or something like that. Yeah, it's in my room. I had to pause the video because it went inside my ear. But it wasn't glitter, a good thing, because glitter, if it went inside my ear, I couldn't hear nothing. I could not. This is how we made it. It took us a million years, but still we made it. We made it. We the people made it from my family. It's so cool, sparkly. Perfect slime too. Oh man. Look, hear this. You have to hear this. Where's the mic though? How can you hear this? Yeah, and then when you touch it, you feel all the glitter on you. Y'all can't. And there's no glitter on me. Good thing. And here's the way we made it. I made it by myself. It took me forever. It took a very long time. It was worth it. Oh, this glitter. Oh, look, like 50 of these packets, different colors too. Oh, look at this. Glitter? No glitter. Hey, where are they? Ooh, no, fine. Y'all know, slime designs is just a base. See, look at this. I'm gonna eat this. Okay, see ya.
Hey, man, it's me. I had the slime.
Yeah.
You have my phone, Melito? See?
Okay, see ya. Bye. Look at this. So yeah, I made a new type of slime. Whoever thought about that? It was delicious too. Sent it. So yeah, guys. Oh man, I have glitter nuts. Delicious. So yeah, y'all saw me eat some slime. Let me get another piece. See? I ate it. So y'all know the tricks of eating slimes. This is what you do. If you're someone very hungry, you have nothing, only some slime, colorful, with glitter, extra spices, sal y pimienta. Do this. Tight. That's good.
¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso, guys? Eso no es nada.
It's okay.
Guys, you just saw that?
Slime isn't delicious.
Shine.
And you know what it is? It's a type of drink, but still, it's more delicious than Nescafe. Classic.
Oh!
Classical. My sister just got cut when she poured her slime in there.
Who's it called?
It took me 10 days to put the whole glitter thingy. 10 minutes. But still, a lot
It's
of
still
time.
working.
It is delicious.
What is-
So skinny.
You can do sticky?
Let me get some. I'm just gonna get a piece because don't you see all those sparkles? Do you?
Sticky.
Look at this dude.
You can put water.
Ooh, that looks cool. Okay.
Sticky.
So yeah, there's gonna be 9 minutes 12 seconds to this video. So yeah, guys, it's gonna end in 9. So yeah, I mean 7:20 something. Bye.